At sunrise, a vast modern leather factory slowly comes to life as warm golden light spreads across the rooftops and steam gently rises from the production halls. The quiet hum of machines grows louder as workers arrive, preparing for another day of precision craftsmanship. This is where the journey of honey badger leather begins, a place where raw materials are transformed into refined, durable products through skill, patience, and technology. Every step inside this facility follows a carefully controlled process designed to maintain consistency, quality, and strength. The air carries a mix of clean industrial tones and natural leather, setting the stage for a process that blends tradition with modern engineering. The first stage begins with the arrival of raw hides. Large shipments are carefully unloaded and transported into the inspection area, where trained specialists examine each piece by hand. They check thickness, texture, flexibility, and surface quality, ensuring only the best materials move forward. Any imperfections are identified immediately because the quality of the final product depends entirely on this first selection. Once approved, the hides are sorted and prepared for treatment. They're carefully cleaned and conditioned, allowing them to absorb the processing solutions evenly. This preparation phase is slow and deliberate, designed to preserve the natural strength of the material while making it ready for transformation. As the hides move deeper into the factory, they enter the tanning stage, the heart of leather production. Massive rotating drums begin their steady motion, filled with precisely measured solutions that soften, strengthen, and preserve the leather. The rhythmic sound of turning drums fills the space as technicians monitor every detail from control panels nearby. Temperature, timing, and chemical balance are constantly adjusted to ensure uniform results. This stage is crucial as it determines the durability, flexibility, and lifespan of the final product. Once the tanning process is complete, the leather is carefully removed and placed into controlled drying chambers where it rests and stabilizes. This resting period allows the fibers to settle naturally, locking in the strength developed during tanning. After drying, the leather moves into the cutting and shaping phase. Here, advanced cutting machines work alongside skilled artisans to shape each piece with precision. Every cut is calculated to reduce waste and maintain consistency. The sound of blades slicing cleanly through leather echoes through the workshop as components begin to take recognizable form. Skilled hands then guide the material through stitching stations where strong threads bind each piece together. This is where craftsmanship becomes visible, where technique, experience, and attention to detail transform raw material into a refined product. Every seam is checked, every edge aligned, ensuring both durability and visual perfection. As the products take shape, they move into the finishing stage. Workers carefully polish edges, smooth surfaces, and refine every detail. The leather is inspected under bright lighting to ensure color consistency and flawless texture. Then comes one of the most defining moments in the process, the branding. With controlled pressure and heat, the Honey Badger logo is embossed onto the leather, marking it as a product of quality and craftsmanship. This step represents the identity of the brand and the standards it upholds. Before leaving the factory, each finished item undergoes a final quality inspection. Inspectors examine stitching, structure, and finish, ensuring every product meets strict requirements. Only those that pass inspection move forward. The approved items are then carefully packaged, placed into protective boxes, and prepared for distribution. In the shipping area, forklifts transport boxed products toward waiting trucks ready to begin their journey to customers around the world. As the day comes to an end, the factory gradually slows. The machines quiet down, the lights soften, and the final products are loaded for delivery. From raw hide to refined craftsmanship, every step reflects precision, dedication, and care. This is the process behind Honey Badger leather, a journey defined by quality, skill, and a commitment to excellence that turns natural materials into products built to last.